What up, peeps? Your boy JV back at it tonight. So, we just made a video. Um, it was a badass video. It was a Zoom meeting with the Oasis Trading Club squad. Alright. UBX passive income, Shiba to 100x, BTC to 100k, NFT takeover. And we have 16 views and we have 2 dislikes on it. The reason being my freaking mic was off. Well, I didn't put the mic on OBS Studio. Still learning how to do all this streaming and all this stuff, right? So, wow. But either way, we're going to do a couple little videos. We're just going to break everything down. This first one, we're going to break down the first topic, which was UBX passive income. Shiba is going to be the next video and da-da-da. So, without further ado, we're going to go and talk about how you're able to make $300. At the moment, I'm able to make $300 a month passive income from UBX. So, I'm going to show you right now my wallet, but before we move on, join the Telegram group, and I'll put it on the link as well. I'll put the link down below on the description as well. But yeah, without further ado, let's move on. So this is my wallet, guys. About 7 million tokens is what we were talking about on the other video. And it was a good video. We had a couple of the members on there. We had the founders right there. My business partners, my boys, you know, the other founders to Oasis Trading Club. It was lit. So join the Telegram, because you could have been on the Zoom live, and that's why nobody even noticed that the YouTube didn't have volume, didn't have a mic. But yeah, anyways, moving on. This is my wallet that we were talking about on that video, and it has about 7 million tokens. This is the example I'm going to give y'all. Okay, so if you want to send money here to be getting these 1% airdrops every single day, you will need to send a minimum of 1 million tokens. Okay, so once you send over that 1 million tokens, you first off, before you send them, you have to push unwrap. I'm not gonna click it, but once you click it, it's gonna take you to an address. It's gonna tell you that you have to send minimum 1 million tokens. If you send less, they will be lost forever. Your money will be gone. So you have to send minimum 1 million tokens. Okay. Again, I can't specify that enough. Once you click unwrap, it's gonna tell you, if you understand that, you're gonna click yes, I understand, I have to send over 1 million, and then it's gonna give you an address. That address, you're gonna copy that address, and that's the address that you're gonna put on your KuCoin, BitTrue, Coinbase, wherever. Well, sorry, KuCoin is the only place I know that you can buy UBX at. Okay. So you go to your KuCoin, and that's what you put on the send address. That address that you got from clicking unwrap right here. That will send it right here, and boom. Now you start gaining 1% every single day. So I'm gonna go and show you the chart of UBX real quick. This is what I was showing on the other video. So UBX right now is at 0.001, a tenth of a penny. We were at 0.005 whenever we were talking about it. All right, the last times we were at around 0.002, 0.003, 0.004, right? So that whole bottom floor, we're gonna range it to 0.005, half of a tenth of a penny. So right now it's at 100% return. All right. So from when we were talking about it, we were discussing that these are the numbers. If you would invest at 4,000 at that breakout, these are the numbers, and potentially you could end up making $250,000 to $500,000 once we hit around those prices. But yeah, UBX from right here to right here, we have been having around close to 7 million tokens. I'm gonna pull out the calculator so I can show you the math behind how you're able to get these gains, 300 a month residual, and how that is what it's doing now. My boy Luis, the one that actually told me about this token, one of the founders of O.T.C, Always Trading Club, he was on the live and he was talking about how it is like a node and how it pays you out because of that action. And Ethereum right now takes 33 Ethereum for you to be able to run a node on it. That could have cost you less than $3,000 a couple years ago. Now, 33 Ethereum would be, let's see, $4,400 times 33. $145,000 for you to be able to run a node and get passive income on Ethereum. Right here, it takes a million tokens. A million tokens would have cost you $500 at 0005. Now we're at 001. It's going to cost you a little over $1,000 to get a million tokens, which will help you be able to run a node. This fan's right on me. All right, so cost you a million tokens will cost you a little bit over $1,000. All right, so give me a second, guys. Let me take this off. Give me a quick second. All right, so if it cost you $1,000, but you're getting 1% every single day, 1% of that $1,000 would be $10. All right, so if you're getting $10, remove. If you're getting $10 every single day, then in a third of the year, you already got 10 times 100 days. You already got your money back. You already got $1,000, if I'm correct, right? All right, let me see. Sorry guys. Let me transition this over, and let me get rid of this. Sorry, like I said, we're still learning. We're still learning how to do this whole thing here. Sure you want to remove? Yes, are you sure you want to remove? All right, my bad, guys. Yeah, but you're getting 1%. I'm gonna get to the math right now. Let me just take these numbers that I have put on there off, and let me add this back on. All right, give me a second, guys. Quick second. Sorry for the technical difficulties, but it happens. Okay, here we go. And bam. Sorry about that, guys. All right, so we're going to go and pull out the calculator so you can see this math. We have 7 million tokens. 1% of 7 million is 7,000. All right, so that means we're getting 7,000 tokens airdropped every single day by having close to 7 million. We're just going to range it to 7 million. So around 7,000 tokens, right? So 7,000 tokens airdropped daily. So we're going to times that times 30 as 210,000 tokens that you're getting airdropped in a month. So one of the things that we went over as well was how much did it cost for me to be able to have that? So it cost $3,500, roughly around this price action. But I was saying that I invested my first chunk of money here in May, second chunk of money here around July, third chunk of money here around September, and the last chunk of money here around October. And that accumulated to all of my positions which accumulated to what I'm showing you the example of how much we're staking, right? So we're not staking, but how much you have and how much you get airdrop. So 210,000 tokens. Now that UBX has shot up to our first targets, we are at a tenth of a penny. So we're gonna times that where we're at right now, and you get $315 a month. So again, we're gonna break that down. All right. So right here we have 7 million tokens times 30 days. I'm sorry, 7,000 tokens times 30 days, 210,000 tokens. So in a month you have 210,000 tokens, and then you times that times the current value, which is 0.001, which I believe will be double in the next month. In the next month, I believe the price will be at 0.003. My I always forget the word, but that's what I see coming. Okay, my prediction. Come on. All right, so $315 a month, guys. That's not bad at all. If you times that those tokens times a year, then because this payout will only be paid out for the first year, as far as 1% goes. After the first year, it will be cut in half. So you're gonna get 0.5%. But as I was saying, as price action goes up, it really doesn't matter. So, all right, 7,000 tokens times, and this is compounding on that income, because you're not always gonna have 7 million. As those 210,000 keep going, in 5 months, you're gonna have another million tokens. You know, so in a year, you're gonna have another 2 million or so tokens, which is insane. So we're just gonna say 7,000 times, and we're gonna say 12. Okay, 7,000 times 12. What's going on? All right, let's see if we can do this now. Oh, well, we already know it's 210,000, so we're just gonna say 210,000 times 12. 2.5 million. All right, so I was correct, and you're really looking at around 3 million, because, like I said, you're compounding. But you're getting around 2.5 million tokens for that first year, and then if you calculate that times the 0.01, sorry, that's not. We're gonna just calculate it to where it's at now. We're not even gonna put in the prediction at the moment. You're getting around $3,780. So I invested around $3,500, and just for holding this a year, out of the airdrops, I'm gonna make around what I invested. That's huge when you think about it. That is huge. All right. If this goes up in value, how I expect it will, then just double that. You know, just double that. If we hit 0.003, double that. So times 2. Did I hit times 2? 7,560, right? And if we go and hit like around a penny, then it's times 3. Just out of airdrops, if we hit a penny, my airdrops will be worth $22,000 or so. Put it into perspective. That is insane. That is insane. Just out of airdrops. Okay, so that is that. Let me just show you this that we shared on the live as well, which was the Telegram, and we were talking about this right here. Okay, so this is the power of crypto. I got into Nobility about 60 days ago, and these reflections I received aren't from trading, buying, and selling. These are received by simply investing once and holding the coin. I'm paid out roughly $1,300 to $1,600 a day based on my investment. I'm going to let you know how much he invested right now. To acquire the amount of NBL I currently have. If you want to get into crypto, don't have time to trade, or you don't want to bother with the hassle, this is the coin to hold. Nobility is the future of gaming, of the gaming industry, and I'm very happy to be a huge part of this project. Man, I'll make a whole nother video about gaming. This is the freaking future. All right, so right? This is his balance. He invested. That's how many coins he holds. All right. This is the value of U.S. dollars, $521,000. So he did invest $500,000 in this project, but he's gaining $1,300 to $1,600 a day just in airdrops, in rewards from holding the coin. Some of these projects, it's insane how much you can make holding right now as an early investor, because just like UBX, I'm sure their rewards are gonna go down every single year, and UBX's rewards are gonna keep having until it reaches a level where it's just gonna stay at that level. But you'll always be getting rewards, which is badass. And it cost you $500 to be able to get rewards just 2 weeks ago. Now it costs $1,000. In a month, it's probably gonna cost you $2,000 to $3,000. All right. So moving on. I just wanted to show you that. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. That is how you get rewards on UBX. Again, you just go to Ubikiri, make an account with them, go to Wrap, and then you'll get a address, and that's where you send your UBX from KuCoin to that address. It'll arrive on your Ubikiri and automatically start gaining you 1% every single day. But yeah, hope that you got some nuggets. I hope that y'all enjoyed the video. Sorry for the what is it called, technical difficulties, and sorry for me forgetting words. But hey, we go live because it takes too long to edit the videos, guys. We gotta get the information out there, and that's the point, right? Get the info out so people can make money. With that being said, I am not a financial advisor. I'm just an educator, and I'm just sharing my my journey so people can go and do whatever they want with that info. All right, with that, I'm out. Peace. Till next time.